PayCentral is a business-to-business disbursement platform that enables businesses to disperse money onto transactional cards instead of paying cash or paying into bank accounts.
Our journey in 2016 started out from a small company, was evolving into growing with the payment industry and looking at ways we can help businesses streamline their payments.
We're looking at ways to make it easier for businesses to transact, especially paying employees for different reasons, whether it's incentives, wages, commissions, or whatever the case may be in your business. We want to make that process simple so that you, as a business owner, can have more time on your hands to focus on things that are important rather than dispersing cash or money.
So we focus on a lot of different sectors. I mean, we've got from agricultural to construction. There's a host of different sections. So what I've loved with the business is really not one focus, particular focus. Many sectors in South Africa can utilize our products and services. And I think that's what I love about this particular industry is there's a host of different solutions that you can provide.
So coming into the space, trying to make a name, be credible, was the most important thing. So the journey has been interesting. It's not the usual fintech story where seed funding was available. It's a bootstrap journey, a journey that means a little bit more because you're doing it all on your own steam.
There's still a lack of financial education in South Africa. And I think using tools that we have, that we've created, we want to create new ways that individuals can use the cards but have the comfort of being safe, secure, and trusting in the product. So we've created a whole bunch of different things from cardholder perspective, like a dedicated app where the guys can check their balance and statement. Also, we have a dedicated card portal that you can also do things, but it's very simple. Spent a lot of time on UI, focusing on tech and making the user experience very simple for the cardholder.
When we started developing the system, we realized that there was a lot of shortfalls in the space, in the industry, where a speed of service was necessary. We tried to build on that as we've evolved to make it from a manual process of depending on too many people to trying to automate it to make sure that the service is seamless and businesses are able to onboard and adapt quicker than possibly our competitors. It's been an important process for scaling up our business, making things automated using artificial intelligence. Now, the journey over 8 years has seen a lot of evolution. You can imagine 8 years ago, artificial intelligence wasn't such a big thing. And now you're talking about everything being artificial intelligence.
So we initially started off with the basic solutions, which is your gift cards and your payroll cards. And we've evolved into like 7 different core products. That is on the reloadable transactional MasterCard cards. But it's not only about the products. We've also focused on tech. So we have the solution element with it. We've done the self-service portal to make the life easier of the guys. We've also done a lot of co-branded deals, cards as well, where clients want their own brands as well, which is quite cool.
From a branding perspective, going from a PayCentral brand to evolving and during COVID, rebranding it to PayCentral, giving it much more credibility than we experienced using the PayCentral brand. As we've rebranded, we saw a big turn in sort of trust. And we're able to deal with multinational corporations as well as small businesses who have a small 1 to 10 man show.
So when we set out on this journey, we had big aspirations and we were looking to partner with a credible provider. Paymentology's name came up, we did the research and it was a great fit. Paymentology's got a lot of experience both South Africa and internationally, and that's something that we want to aspire to.
Paymentology is a solution that provides that credibility, that trust that already has been in the market for over 25 years, if I'm not mistaken. So we had to align with a company that speaks credibility. We, as PayCentral, PayCentral at that stage, no one knew about us. So we really did need to tie up with someone who we could trust. And with that trust spilled over to what our business partners actually believed in.
What we do currently is we integrate directly into Paymentology. We have our self-service portal that is business to business focused. And with that, we have, on the tech side, we have APIs that connects directly to Paymentology. But the nice thing is the APIs gives us access to Paymentology's banking environment. So, which means that we have credibility. Our customers have the certainty that their funds are safe and secure, and they can utilize it whenever they want to without the headache of worrying where the funds is. So we utilize a lot of the tech, and we depend on a lot of tech from Paymentology.
As we've grown, the relationship has grown. So the key has been moving from a program manager to a sort of a partnership level, where you are actually talking on a level where, you could make decisions which would better the space, to make sure that we can provide solutions that are always progressive.
What's great about our business, we're still a smallish business regarding staff complement, but we love the idea that we will always grow and have the ability to constantly learn. I think that's a big thing for business in fintech. You also need to say that you need to be open-minded, ability to learn. With Paymentology being an international brand, we would always leverage off what expertise is brought in from other countries. We can adopt it into the South African environment, and hopefully that will also assist by making South Africa a better place.